Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to check the battery usage on Acer laptop. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to click on the start button. Okay, so here is the start button, you just click on it. When you click on it, after that you will be able to find the setting option. So here is the setting, just click on setting. When you click on setting, here you can see on the down is the battery and power. Okay, just click on it. When you click on power and battery on the down, you will be able to find the battery usage. So you want to check the battery usage, right? Just click on it. When you click on it, you will be able to see the timing also. 5 p.m. this March, 11 p.m., 5 a.m., 11 a.m., 5 p.m. You can see this is the battery usage scale. Okay, graph. So this all are the apps that use the battery. You can see from here. Okay, 1%, and which apps is used much. I use the Chrome. Okay, Google Chrome has been used 57% and system has been used 41%. You can see how much the what apps has been used, the how much battery. Okay, you can check from here. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.